All of us have career aspiration. Irrespective of the position you hold in your career, you either directly or indirectly manage a person or a team. Remember, our world is full of people trying to take charge of things and our lives. Everybody wants to be manager. You may have all the process and procedure memorized. You may have several certifications, but it all be in vain if you fail to be an effective leader. The key to truly effective leadership lies in mastering wide range of skills from administrating to implementing and inspiring others to achieve excellence. These sessions on effective leadership shows you how to learn to lead, whether by observing others through formal training or practical experience. An effective leader helps others to do the right things. They set directions, build an inspiring vision, and create a winning team or an organization. Hi, my name is Shamrao. I have been working for more than 30 years in the industry as CEO, CIO, and as a consultant. I had an opportunity of leading several cross functional, cross geography leaders for companies across the globe. Spoke in more than 500 seminars with over 2 million listeners across 25 countries, and it's immense pleasure to be with you. Leadership can be defined as one's ability to influence and motivate others to bring the best out of them. It focuses on encouraging individual effectiveness of an organization. Leadership is all about developing people, in turn, helping them to reach their maximum potential. To make it simple, leadership is an art of motivating the people to help to achieve a common goal. As part of this course, I'll share my thoughts and experience on five main things about effective leadership. First, how to be an effective leader. Second, how to improve leadership skills. Third, how to train yourself to be an effective leader. Fourth, how to achieve excellence. Fifth, how can I determine if I am a good leader? These sessions will include real world examples and case studies that would help you to connect, visualize, and reflect. It provides a thorough grounding on essential techniques to show you how to put them in action in a variety of situations. I am sure at the end of the session you would be able to communicate clearly and delegate tasks. Play various leadership styles with efficiency. You would prepare yourself to lead and form a team. Set appropriate goals and develop the team to work together. Leading the discussion and manage the meetings effectively. Better analysis of the problem, better decision making, and give the required support to the team. Develop your strengths and would also be able to learn from others. You would gain valuable experience while on the job and would master the leadership role. Focus quality and understanding culture by being proactive and lead ethically. Generate ideas for establishing a vision. Manage a team openly and measure progress. Motivating the team. By being competitive, you would create a win win situation. At the end, you would also be able to determine if you are a good leader. Is your leadership style suitable or needs some improvement? Being an effective leader is a journey, not a destination. We shall undertake this journey together as part of this course. Looking forward seeing you. Please join me in this journey of effective leadership.